Mintu and Pintu overheard their mom, Mrs. Sita, sighing about the messy living room. She was expecting a guest and wished the house was a little tidier. The two children had a great idea. They would surprise her by cleaning everything themselves. They decided on a super speed clean and grabbed all the cleaning tools. Mintu tried to dust and vacuum at the same time, while Pintu attempted to put away toys and wipe the floor. It was chaos. The dust flew everywhere. Toys tumbled out of their box, and Pintu slipped on his wet rag, making a huge, bubbly mess. They looked at the messy room and then at each other, realizing their plan wasn't working. Then Mintu remembered something his mom always said: one thing at a time. They made a new plan. First, they worked together to put all the toys away. Next, they tidied all the books onto the shelf. Finally, they swept the floor and dusted the furniture. It was much easier when they worked as a team. When Mrs. Sita walked in, she stopped and gasped. The living room was sparkling clean. She was so surprised and happy. She gave them a big hug. "My wonderful little helpers," she said. "You gave me the best surprise ever." Mintu and Pintu learned that day that helping with chores is much easier when you work together. And the best part was seeing the huge smile on their mom's face.